The James Webb Space Telescope has been taking impressive pictures of space since its first day of observing the universe. Photograph, NGC 3324, the star-forming region of the Carina Nebula. The telescope uses infrared light, which allows it to view objects through clouds of dust and gas in deep space. Photo, the Tarantula Nebula. 100x powerful than Hubble. However, the James Webb Telescope is about 100 times more powerful than NASA's previous landmark space telescope, the Hubble. Photograph, the Carwell Galaxy, about 500 million light-years from Earth. Bu nedenen James Webb Teleskobu, yüzün derinliklerin ve zamanda daha geriye siki herhangi bir teleskoptan daha fazla bakabilir. Photograph, James Webb Uzay Teleskobu'nun 11 Temmuz 2022, de yayınlanan ilk derin alan kızılötesi görüntüsü. It can be observed up to 400 million years after the big explosion. By collecting infrared light, Webb can pierce the cosmic dust and see far into the past, up to the first 400 million years after the Big Bang. Photograph, a view of Sirius 93316, a galaxy that researchers believe emerged only 235 million years after the Big Bang. On the other hand, the James Webb Telescope has shed new light on the pillars of creation, which are huge clouds of gas and dust that are constantly giving birth to new stars. Thousands of stars, including newborn red stars, were seen in the near-infrared light. Photo, Pillars of Creation. In James Webb's mid-infrared light mode, the universe was in the dust center. Photograph, mid-infrared view of James Webb's Pillars of Creation. NASA combined data from these two images to create an entirely new, ethereal portrait of the pillars. Photograph, a composite view of the Pillars of Creation from two cameras on Webb, mid-infrared and near-infrared. Additionally, in July, the James Webb Telescope captured the Southern Ring Nebula, a cloud of dust and gas located 2,000 light-years from Earth. Photograph, the Southern Ring Nebula, captured by James Webb in near-infrared light. James Webb also imaged galaxies with the latest technology. In the photo, branches of star-forming regions connect the cores of these two merging galaxies and become much brighter in infrared light. Photograph, a merging pair of galaxies captured by Webb. The James Webb Telescope also focused on the solar system, surprising astronomers with this spooky infrared portrait of Jupiter. Photograph, NIRCam composite image of James Webb from Jupiter. The telescope also captured faint rings surrounding Jupiter and glowing auroras at its poles. Photograph, wide field view of Jupiter captured by James Webb. Jupiter's moon Europa is brightly imaged in James Webb's infrared. Scientists think that beneath Europa's thick ice crust is a saltwater ocean that could harbor alien life. Photograph, Jupiter and its moon Europa. Catches the rings of Neptune. The James Webb Telescope has even observed the rarely captured rings of Neptune. Photograph, the Neptune system imaged by James Webb. The James Webb Telescope has taken the best view of the planet's dusty rings since NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft passed by Neptune in 1989. Photograph, left is an image of the rings of Neptune captured by Voyager 2 in 1989. On the right are the rings of Neptune, imaged in infrared by James Webb. The new image also shows 7 of Neptune's 14 known moons. A bright blue object resembling a star shows Neptune's largest moon, Triton. Photo, Neptune has 14 known moons, 7 of which are visible in this image. The infrared telescope also took images of Titan, Saturn's largest moon. Titan is the only moon in the solar system to have a dense atmosphere. Titan's atmosphere is 4 times denser than Earth's. Photograph, 30-hour change of clouds on Titan from November 4 to November 6, 2022. Webb captured NASA's Double Asteroid Redirection Test spacecraft as it successfully crashed into the asteroid Dimorphos as part of the first planetary defense test. Photograph, this image from NASA's James Webb Space Telescope's near-infrared camera shows the asteroid moon Dimorphos in the double asteroid system of Didymos about 4 hours after NASA's Double Asteroid Reorientation Test crashed. On the other hand, in a little over 5 months of scientific operations, Webb also captured many fascinating images of the cosmos. Photograph, a pair of interlocking galaxies about 270 million light-years from Earth, imaged by James Webb. Scientists emphasize that all these images are just the beginning for NASA's most powerful telescope. Photograph, Stephan's Quintet.